Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Holden from David Wilson Homes. Now this is located at Penning Ridge, Parsley. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, study, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions towards your living, kitchen and dining and upstairs. So checking out the living room first. Very spacious living room. It's given in length. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set. You're getting a nice bay window towards the front, so plenty of natural light falling in this living space. So this was the living room. Now moving towards the study, which is coming towards the front. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your right side. Well, you can plan this as the study, workspace, anything you want to. The space looks quite okay. You still get a nice window even in this study. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining space, which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. It's an open plan kitchen with the dining. You have the kitchen space towards one side and you can plan a nice dining table towards this side. You're getting this white French door access towards the garden behind. And obviously you'll be getting a nice garden with fence around it. Very wide and spacious kitchen and full of light. Just exploring the kitchen side, you have this integrated fridge freezer and double oven coming towards this side, and there are plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. Now moving towards the utility space. So through the kitchen you also have access towards the utility, and from this utility there's access towards the garden behind. The space in the utility looks quite okay. You can easily plan your washing machine and dryer here. There's a worktop provided with a sink as well. The boiler also is coming in the utility space here. So this was the kitchen with the utility. Now let's check out the washroom in the ground floor. So just beside this kitchen and the dining, you also have the washroom in the ground floor. It's a decent washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. So the ventilation is good. And beside this washroom, you also have some storage space with the door and lock. You can plan some kind of storage in this space. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So first exploring the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed like this, and there's really good room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falls in the bedroom. So you can plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. And they actually gave an additional wardrobe towards the front. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to go for this, you can. Otherwise, you'll get some additional room space towards the front. Now let's check out the ensuite. The space looks quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they gave a nice window. The ventilation is good. So this was the master bedroom. Now moving towards the second bedroom of the house. So just beside this you have the second bedroom, which is again a double bedroom. The space is given in length. You can plan a double bed like this and you get decent room space to walk around. You're getting 2 windows in this bedroom, so plenty of natural light falls in. You can plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. It's a nice room, but again it depends on how you style it. Now moving towards the family bathroom. So just opposite to this bedroom you have the family bathroom. The space in this bathroom looks quite okay. You have the bathtub. They also gave a walk-in shower, water closet and sink. And the window also is white, so plenty of natural light falls in. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. Again, it's a double bedroom. You can easily plan a double bed like this and you get really good space to walk around. Even in this bedroom you have 2 windows, so plenty of light and really good ventilation. And you can also plan your wardrobes towards this side. And last but not the least, let's check out the fourth bedroom. Well, this is slightly smaller than the other bedrooms, but again it's bigger than a single bedroom. You can still plan a nice bed like this and you get decent room space to walk around. You can use this as the kids' room, your workspace, anything you want to. Well, in this room the wardrobes are planned towards this side and this is going inside the wall, so that doesn't occupy the additional room space. Now on the first floor you also have another small space wherein they provided the water heater. So we covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.